You ever tried to build something big, something that could change your life, and felt like everything was working against you? You weren't lazy. You weren't unmotivated. You were just getting hit from every direction. And I've been there. If that sounds familiar, then this story is for you. Because I'm going to show you how one person rebuilt her entire life, created freedom from nothing, and built a business that paid her every single day on autopilot. Most people say, fail fast, you'll learn. But when you've got real responsibilities, children, bills, employees, failure isn't a cute slogan, it's survival. And that's what this story is about. The mindset, the grind, the systems you need to build your empire from the ashes. There was a woman who built a payment processing company doing billions in sales every single year. She went from knocking on doors to running a company that paid hundreds of families every month. Thousands of families, to be honest with you. But one day everything changed. Her business partner betrayed her. Her attorneys turned on her. And the banks she trusted tried to take her entire company. She didn't just lose money, she almost lost everything: her home, her business, her peace. Imagine this. You wake up one day and the people you trusted most have sued your clients, drained your accounts, and left you with millions in debt you didn't even know existed. Then your financial institution, the one that's supposed to protect your business and your client's business, decides to hold every dollar your merchants process. No cash flow, no payroll, no commissions, just chaos. Your employees look to you for answers. Your agents can't get paid. And you've still got children at home who need you to hold it together. That's the part no one talks about. The sleepless nights, the people who vanish the second things get hard. But here's where everything changes. She realized they took her systems, but they didn't take her skills. They didn't take her drive, and they didn't take her mindset. So she rebuilt, but this time smarter. This time with a business that paid her every single month, whether she was working or not. She started small, 10 conversations a day. She talked to business owners about one simple thing: how to put their payment processing fees back into their own pockets. 10 calls a day, 1 close per day, 5 days a week. That's 20 clients a month, each worth about $375 in monthly profit. That's $7,500 a month in recurring income. Month 1, $7,500. Month 2, $15,000. Month 3, $22,500. And every dollar of it came in while she slept. So here's the compound effect. She didn't stop there. She uploaded 5,000 contacts from her phone, started reaching out 50 people a day, texted another 20 personally. We often text anyway all day long. And because they already knew her, the response just started rolling in. Then she added one small tweak: referral links. She gave every client a trackable link and paid them $100 for every person they referred. Suddenly, her 10 conversations a day turned into 200 leads a month. And month 4, $60,000. Month 6, $90,000. Month 12, $180,000 a month in recurring income. All from doing the same simple thing every day. Now she could breathe again. She paid off her attorneys, kept her team, saved her home, and most importantly, she had peace because she was no longer dependent on banks, partners, or broken systems. She built her own machine, and that's the real win. Freedom doesn't come from starting a business. It comes from building one that pays you whether you're working or not. So if you've ever failed, if you've ever been betrayed, if you've ever thought, maybe I'm not just meant to win, you're wrong. Because the only thing separating those who stay stuck from those who rise again is how fast they can rebuild smarter. She did it, you can too. If you're ready to learn how to build recurring income like this, where your business pays you again and again, month after month, click the link in the description or visit and book a short 15-minute call with our team. We'll show you how to do it step by step, even if you're starting from zero, because every empire falls. But the best ones, they get rebuilt stronger. So stop waiting for the right time. Start building something that lasts, something that pays you for life, because your comeback story is already being written. You just have to pick up the pen.